In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap in Pixlr. We'll go step by step from opening your image to adding text to applying a warp effect so your text curves in a really eye-catching way. By the end, you'll be able to create wrapped text for things like thumbnails, social media graphics, or simple design projects. First, go ahead and log into your Pixlr account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option called Pixlr Editor. This is the full-featured editor where you can work with layers, text, and effects. Click on Pixlr Editor, and then either select an image you already have in your library or upload a new one from your computer. After it finishes loading, your image will appear on the main canvas in the editor. Now we're going to add some text. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Find the text tool there. It usually looks like a letter icon. Click on that, and then click once anywhere on your canvas where you want to place your text. As soon as you click, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to add a text layer. Confirm by choosing to add a text layer, and Pixlr will create a new text box for you. Type your text directly into that box. This could be a title, a phrase, or whatever you want to wrap later. Once your text is in place, look toward the top bar of the editor. This top panel is where you can customize your text. Here, you can change the font style to match your design, adjust the fill color so it stands out from the background, and modify the size so it's easily readable. You can also tweak formatting options like alignment and spacing, and you can add basic styles such as bold or italic to emphasize certain words. When you're happy with the basic look of your text, it's time to apply the warp effect. Still with your text layer selected, go to the top bar and click on the option labeled Styles. Inside Styles, look for Warp and enable it. When you turn this on, the warp panel will expand and give you several controls. First, choose where the warp will be applied: upper, middle, or lower. This decides which part of the text is most affected by the curve. Then choose the warp type: circular or angular. Circular gives you a smooth, rounded curve, while angular creates a more pointed or sharper look. Next, fine-tune the effect with the sliders. Edge size controls how much the edges of your text bend. Center size affects how strongly the middle of the text curves. Horizontal offset shifts the warp left or right, and vertical offset moves the warp up or down. Take a moment to drag each slider slowly and watch how your text changes so you can find a shape that fits your design without distorting the letters too much. Once your wrapped text looks the way you want, you're done. You've successfully created wrapped text in Pixlr, ready to save, export, and use in your project.